Taipei is a city of culinary delights. JauntTV takes us on a mouth-watering journey through the bustling streets and night markets, tasting some of the most delicious, colorful, and unique foods the city has to offer. Our first stop is for the famous scallion pancakes. The vendor pours the dough, adds a generous amount of fresh scallions, and cooks them to crispy perfection. The sizzling sound and the aroma of the cooking pancakes fills the air, making it impossible to resist. Next, we dive into the world of black pepper buns. First, a mixture of minced pork, soy sauce, and a generous amount of black pepper is prepared. This savory filling is then carefully wrapped in a soft dough, along with a big handful of freshly chopped green onions, which adds a vibrant, aromatic flavor. The buns are placed inside a cylindrical clay oven, where they stick to the sides and bake until they're golden brown and slightly crispy on the outside. The combination of the peppery pork filling and the fresh green onions makes each bite an explosion of flavors. This may be a new favorite for me. No visit to Taipei is complete without trying the famous Fu Tang milk boba tea. After standing in a long line, I finally got to witness the magic behind this popular drink. The pearls are hand-cooked in brown sugar, giving them a unique caramelized flavor that pairs perfectly with the creamy milk tea. The rich, sweet flavor of the boba, combined with the silky smooth tea, creates a drink that's both refreshing and indulgent. Another must-try is the Ay-Chung flour rice noodles. Despite the long line, the wait is worth it. The noodles are perfectly cooked and the broth is packed with umami flavors, making each spoonful a delightful experience. Taipei's night markets offer a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. The array of flavors and colors is truly astonishing. What a visual feast!